So excited to have you here again. Welcome to the Mr. channel. In today's discussion, we're gonna look at how we can make this beautiful piping. If this video added value to you, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Here I have material which length is equal to half the circumference of my chest. You can check in the description box below for link to how to cut a senator wear. Now I'm gonna lay the front panel on it and trace out the neck and the armhole curves. At the center with my French curve, I'm going to put a curve there. Next is to cut it at the center. On one side, I'm going to measure how wide I want the piping to be. I like the wideness to be 0.375 inches. We're gonna do the same on the other side. Now we are done with this part. The next we are going to do is to cut out bias for the piping by cutting along the diagonal of the fabric. Countless of times it has been mentioned on this channel that in order to cut a stripe that tends to act like an elastic, you do the cutting diagonally. So with this, we are going to do the piping. While stitching this bias, make sure you are not letting it to experience tension by pulling it. Remember, it tends to act like an elastic material, so do not pull it, as this may cause squeezing around your piping. So from this point, we are going to dress it with our hands like this. But before that, let's press the seam first. Check to see with your tape rule if the size is equal to the size you outlined with pencil earlier. We are going to lace the stripe with a gum. Let's trim the in allowance to a moderate size. With the help of the outline done with pencil and tape rule, you can see how neat and equal the pipings are. Now, using the center as a guide, we are going to lay our design one after the other. Having done this, the next we are going to do is to take it to our sewing machine and stitch. Make sure that your stitch is very close to the piping. Okay, so because I don't want to put zipper at the shoulder, I'm going to open the back panel at the yoke to allow easy entering of the head. The depth of the opening is determined by the size of the head and neck. Now we are going to join the front at the shoulder to the back. So let's press it with iron. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button if you have learned anything from our discussion so far. You have two options for the neckline. It's either you do it the same way we did the piping at the front, or you check in the description box for link to how to make a neckline. The neckline gonna be extended for buttonhole. Thanks so much for being part of this discussion. Hope to see you again in our next discussion. Please, if this video added value to you, hit the like and subscribe button. Also leave me a comment. Thanks a ton.